Hey guys, and welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. So, November has a mood all its own, and honestly, it might be one of the most underrated months of the entire year. It's that beautiful bridge between the golden glow of fall and the twinkling magic of the holidays. The air feels crisp. The evenings come earlier, and suddenly our homes become the heart of everything. Whether it's family gatherings, warm meals, quiet mornings, and cozy nights in, we start craving comfort in every corner. Softer lighting, deeper colors, layered textures, and spaces that make us want to slow down. And of course, November brings memorable moments, Thanksgiving celebrations, seasonal food rituals, and the excitement of transitioning into full holiday mode. So today, we're diving into rooms to love this November, spaces that capture the warmth, gratitude, and deep coziness this month naturally brings. Grab a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, and let's dig in. So, first, let's talk about a warm, welcoming living room. November living rooms are all about softness and togetherness. So, think plush throws, oversized pillows, and warm neutral tones like caramel, chestnut, and rust. This is the month where ambient lighting becomes your best friend. Table lamps, candles, and soft glows work together to create that inviting cocoon feeling. Even if your home is small or minimalist, a few seasonal textures like knit blankets or teddy bear accent chairs instantly warms things up. And the best part, it's a perfect setup for those longer evenings spent relaxing, watching movies, or hosting guests. 2. A cozy layered bedroom. There's nothing like a November bedroom, where the cooler nights practically beg you to layer up on the blankets. This is the perfect time to bring in deeper bedding colors like burnt orange, forest green, chocolate brown, or cranberry. Swap lighter summer fabrics for heavier ones like flannel, velvet, or a thicker cotton. Also consider adding a textured throw at the foot of the bed or even switching out your pillow covers for something richer and moodier. A November bedroom is all about comfort, warmth, and creating a space that feels like a retreat from the chill outside. Number 3, the heart of the home, a November kitchen. Now, November kitchens just shine brighter than ever. They're not just for cooking, they're for gathering. This month is full of food moments, simmering soups, fresh pastries, warm breads, and of course, Thanksgiving prep and a whole lot of it. To make your kitchen feel seasonally inspired, think simple touches. Wooden cutting boards displayed like decor, a warm toned runner on the floor, a bowl of seasonal fruit like pears or pomegranates, or even swapping your dish tiles for earthy tones. These little changes bring an organic warmth that feel perfectly November. Number 4, a dining room ready for hosting. If there's one room that truly belongs in November, it's the dining room. This space captures the essence of gratitude and togetherness. So whether you're hosting a full Thanksgiving dinner or a simple meal with friends, November decor here is all about warmth and charm. Candles down the center of the table, natural greenery like eucalyptus or dried stems, textured table linens, and soft glowing lights all create that unforgettable ambiance. You don't need anything expensive, just layers of warmth and intentional touches. Number 5, a peaceful, reflective corner. November has a quiet, reflective energy to it. It's the month where we all begin winding down, and the year often just think about what we're grateful for. Creating a cozy little nook, a reading chair, a window seat, or even a corner with a floor pillow just really helps you tap into that peaceful vibe. Add a lamp with soft light, a warm throw, and a small side table for your coffee or tea. This simple space becomes your personal escape from the holiday noise before December kicks in full force. And number 6, a front entry that sets the mood. Your entryway is the first welcome into your home, and November is the perfect time to make it warm and inviting. Think woven baskets for scarves and gloves, a seasonal wreath, or a textured rug that instantly adds coziness. Natural elements like dried floral arrangements or small pumpkins that aren't too Halloween give the space a subtle autumn elegance. It's a simple way to make your home feel festive without going overboard. So those are just a few rooms to love this November. Spaces that reflect the warmth, gratitude, and gentle transition this month brings. November is all about slowing down, savoring the moment, and creating a home that feels like a soft embrace from the moment that you walk in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe for more home decor inspiration. And don't forget to check the description box for curated Amazon finds that can help you bring these November vibes into your own home. Thanks for watching, and remember, whether you go all out for festive fall decor or choose to keep it very simple, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. I'll see you in the next one.